In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn rewards on Coinbase. You earn rewards, so you basically can earn assets just by taking quizzes. I've already took a couple of quizzes on all these here, and I'm able to earn all these assets like Cosmo, Tesos, Day. I've earned all these just by taking quizzes, and they'll tell you the amount of how many you would actually get. So I got $3 here, there was $3 there. And right below this video, if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can sign up for free, get your Coinbase account, and start earning assets for free by taking quizzes. So you can earn $2 this, earn $2 here, earn $2 here. So I've already earned $2 already by basically going through the process. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Let's go ahead and dive into this content, and like, comment, subscribe if you want more edutainment information to help you grow every single day. So let's go ahead and dive in. So when you click on the link below and start your Coinbase account, if you don't have it already, I want you to go right to earn rewards. You can actually do this from your cell phone as well. You can download the mobile app, Coinbase app, from the Play Store or Android, and also the App Store for your iPhone. So you go right to earn rewards, and then you'll just look at all these different rewards you can get. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, all this will be blank for you. So I've already filled this out already. So I've already earned rewards by taking these quizzes. It's really simple to take the quizzes. It's actually just basic information, and it pretty much give you the answers before the question. So pretty much you just got to answer the questions very well. So CeeLo, I earned $6 there. And then here, I've earned $3 from this one here. The graph, I earned $3 there just by taking these quizzes. If I click on one of them, I already took the quiz already. This is what it kind of looks like. So this is the graph quiz, and it says decentralized protocol provides, well, okay, went too fast. The graph is decentralized protocol for index, and I click on next lesson. So I've already answered these questions already. That's why it's not showing up for you. So that's why it's not showing up for me, because I've already answered all the questions. So here is the example of it, and this is what I earned. Well, actually, did I earn this? No, I did not earn this. I earned this $3, $1, $1, $1. So I earned all this. It says all done, 3 out of 3 completed. So I've already completed it already, and these are all the ones I've earned already. I've done Stellar, Compound, CeeLo, Maker, Band, and this one as well. So I've earned rewards just by taking basic quizzes. So you can do that just having your Coinbase account. It's free to sign up right below the video. If you don't have it already, open up your account and go ahead and start taking quizzes to get rewards. Why not? It's a good way of doing it. I like the fact that some of these actually projects is allowing you to kind of, go through the process, learn a little bit more about these assets, and you get rewards from it. And it only takes a couple of minutes, and they're really, really simple and really, really easy. So I'm going to go back to earn rewards right here. So you also can invite friends as well. You can earn rewards by inviting friends. That's another way of how you can get rewards, assets. You can get $10 in Bitcoin just by, having your friends sign up. So it's really, really cool and easy to do as well. Also, let me look at the bottom here. Here's all the rewards that I've done. Then I can go right here if it's more. See, I like Stellar, because Stellar I was able to earn 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. $10. I was able to earn $10 in rewards, $10 in Stellar rewards just by going through the process. What is Stellar? What are Stellar lumens? And they tell you. If I click on there, it actually tells you what it is. Look at this. It just says the Stellar network has its own cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen. Lumens facilitate low-cost universal payments on Stellar. That basically tells you what the answer is. The answer is right here to this question, and then on the next screen, it's basically going to give you the actual ways of how you can answer the questions. It's going to give you, it's examples of what the answer could be, but you already know the answers. Really, really easy. Same thing with this one right here. So I don't know if you've been taking these. I would do it. Get some reward points. You can think about this. You can get about, hell, just these alone. That's 6. That's $9. That's 12. 12 plus 9. That's 21. That's $31 worth of assets that can be right in your Coinbase account just by taking rewards, by taking free quizzes, getting the rewards that you definitely earn. And usually stay on top of this, because Coinbase periodically will have different types of rewards that just shows up right on Coinbase, and sometimes you don't even know about it. So be sure to log into Coinbase today, take these rewards, and get your stuff. Why not? You know, Compound is a good one. $9 in Compound by taking the quiz. And then what happens is you'll learn more about the assets. So if I click on here, I get to learn more about Compound, basic information. Compound is a protocol running on Ethereum that lets individuals, developers, and applications earn interest on their crypto without relying on third parties. So that's very, very interesting. So then you can go ahead and Google Compound or do your research on Compound and say, you know what is Compound all about? So then this is what I do. So I go to CoinMarketCap. I can go to Compound here, and I can find out what Compound's all about. Look at this, Compound's worth that price. Look at that price goes in here. Then I want to know more about it. Here you go. I can learn more about Compound. There's the price today. What is Compound? It's a DeFi lending protocol. So you learn more about that. So that's just an example of what I would do in terms of doing research. You know, I do the quizzes, but then I want to learn more about the assets, and then I may consider investing more into the assets based off free rewards and free information. So you can definitely do that as well. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the link below, start your free Coinbase account. But if you already have one, come right here and go right to earn rewards. Get your rewards, get your money, get your rewards. And check this out. You can also convert your assets to another one. So if you don't want Graph, you can convert Graph into Compound. You can convert Compound to a different asset. You can do that right through the Coinbase system. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll be with you in the next video for more edutainment. Absolutely, education and entertainment and some free rewards. When you watch this video, click on the link below. Let's get started. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.